I have to just start this off with some West Asian fuckery. West Asian fuckery alert is alive and well in America today. Man, oh my God. I was supposed to record this. I was supposed to pre-record it, but since I'm not pre-recording it, I'm going to keep it rolling. It's rolling. It's rolling, Goldie. It's rolling. I got to keep it going. I'm going to keep it going now. All right. Now, the plan was to do this one and get this one out the way because, like I said, I kind of like took a break. You know what I'm saying? But just too much fuckery, man. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So
hello, everybody out there. I'm so sorry that I couldn't be there.
Just when you thought.
Hello, everybody out there. I'm so sorry that I couldn't be there.
Oh my God! Just when you thought it was over, and then they're gonna throw Q-tip on me. All right, but here we go. Now, so I want y'all to take a listen. I want you to listen to this.
Right?
Stop.
Common right now. Common reason.
Mr. Sheriff, do it. Use it.
All right, for those that don't know what's happening, right, because I know y'all can't see it, but this is on my timeline on Gye-Nyame Journey. Back in, I think it was 2014, a judge shot a defendant in his courtroom. It just happened to be a brother that was trying to defend himself in court. So recently, it was brought to my attention that the judge that had this brother shot, let's continue listening to this, was brought up on some charges. And I want to read the whole case to you so I can let you know that it is now legal to shock black men in court.
All right, I'm going to take 5.
They're going to take 5. They're going to take a couple minutes to let this man breathe in his pain. Hold on.
He calms down, and I'll be back.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, calm down. He'll be right back. Right. This has moved from West Asian fuckery to, yes, that's right, the intergalactic variety. That is a grown man crying in the courtroom as he was trying to defend himself not violently. No, he was talking about his case. Now I'm like this. I don't know how disrespectful he was. I really don't give a damn how disrespectful he was in the courtroom. My question to all of us that are American citizens: should this type of shit be allowed to happen? Right? Now, let's go. I mean, I'm going to read the case. Let's read the case. I want to read the case to you. Right? What happened? So, the ex-Maryland judge fined $5,000 for ordering defendant shocked in court. Greenbelt, Maryland. A former Maryland judge who ordered defendant to be physically shocked in his courtroom was sentenced Thursday to participate in anger management classes and pay a $5,000 fine. Right? You know what I'm saying? You can shock a black man in court and get anger management and a $5,000 fine. Robert C. Nally of La Plata, Maryland, will also have to spend a year on probation. Oh, he get a whole year on probation too, right? Nally, 72, pleaded guilty earlier this year to a civil rights violation for ordering a deputy to activate a stun cuff that a defendant appearing before him was wearing around his ankle. The defendant, who was acting as his own lawyer, was before Nally in July 2014 for jury selection and had failed to listen to Nally's order to stop speaking. After he was shot, the defendant fell to the ground screaming. A video of the exchange without sound and separate audio was played in court. Thursday, prosecutor Christo O'Malley noted that the defendant didn't raise his voice or yell during the exchange and even called the judge sir. She said Nally very quickly grew impatient and that his use of the stun cuff was highly disproportionate for nothing more than verbal interruption. Our Constitution does not allow violation of rights based on annoyance, she said. Nally acknowledged as part of the plea deal that the use of the stun cuff was objectively unreasonable under the circumstances, and both prosecutor and Nally's lawyer agreed to recommend a sentence of 1 year on probation. Oh man, you get to make deals. Shock a black man. You know, hey, it's good. It's good in America right now. You know what I'm saying? I feel safe. I feel secure, right? As a black man walking these streets. To say that I am chagrined to be standing here is an understatement, Nally said in a brief statement in federal court on Thursday. Nally, who was a judge in Charles County from 1988 to September 2014. How many other violations of people's rights did this man do? I mean, how many other people rights did he trample on? Did he violate? Did not apologize in court, but did say he made an error in judgment. Nally's ability to hear cases was rescinded several months after the incident. So he was able to sit on the bench several months after he did this. This is what we dealing with here, right? So, hey, now I try to keep these down to 15 minutes, so let me go on her. Judge William Conley, who oversee Nally's case, said in court that a year of probation was an appropriate sentence, in part because Nally's age and the fact that he can no longer hear cases. He was about to retire. Also in court Thursday was defendant Nally ordered shot Samir Jalid Khalil Kingali, who at the time was before Nally was charged with unlawful possession of a firearm. Kingali, 27, who is also referred to in court records as Delvin King, called Nally's actions torture and very dehumanizing experience and walked out of the courtroom before Nally was sentenced. There was no justice here today, he said after the hearing, adding that he doesn't believe Nally is sorry for his actions. I don't really believe it either. The stun cuff administered an electric shock for about 5 seconds. Kingali said the shock had impacted his ability to act as his own lawyer when his trial resumed. Nally's lawyer, Robert Bonsip, noted in a court filing ahead of Thursday hearing that Kingali had a history of disruptive courtroom behavior, including previously running out of the courthouse. He said Nally had been warned of Kingali's disruptive behavior already on the day of the incident before Nally ordered Kingali to stop speaking. The two had also struggled over the name Kingali should be called in court. Bonsip also said Nally had never been trained on the use of a stun cuff. This is not the first time Nally has been a defendant. In 2010, he pleaded guilty to tampering with a vehicle after he deflated the tire of a cleaning woman's car that was parked in a restricted zone at the courthouse. As a result, he was fined, had to write a letter of apology, and was suspended for 5 days without pay. So, you know, come on now, $5,000, $5,000, and anger management. Man, it's good to be white in America. You know what I'm saying? And to have some connections. All right? Hey, now check that out. That's on you. You can look at it on our timeline. Let me know what you think. This is Brother Hot Tim. Once again, you're listening to Gye-Nyame Journey Radio. The name of the show is AEOOOOhhh, Empire of Our Own. And this is a Heart of a Simple production. Where we strive to blow up your old paradigm.
For black power, cause all we want is freedom. Throw up a fist for black power, cause all we want is